There are so many Shelbys here today. There weren't this many last year, but this is absolutely gorgeous. This is the Shelby GT 500. Absolutely beautiful. We got a beautiful orange on here. Have a beautiful spoiler on the back. That is so pretty. Absolutely beautiful Shelby. Perfect. Again, we have Shelbys for days in this building today. My goodness. Somebody struck the lottery. This town is absolutely coming out with the heat today. Y'all, I don't know what kind of, I mean, it has a Scat Pack badge, then it has SRT on it, then it has an RT badge, so I don't know. I don't know whose car this is. It looks pretty good though. I can't tell if it's an actual Scat Pack or not, because it's like they just put the badges on it, but it's got the wide body on it, so I'm assuming it is the Scat Pack. Very nice wheels. Sorry. You're fine. And we got a pretty standard Camaro SS. Not too bad. Not too fond of Camaros like that, really. But this one's pretty clean. Got a old school Z28 with a stroker engine in it, obviously. Very beautiful color. Pretty standard. Now, at first, I thought this was a regular G35, but then I got a little bit closer, and guys, look at that fat. That is absolutely beautiful. That actually looks like it's pro-charged and not turbocharged, if I'm mistaken. That doesn't look like a turbocharger, so I'm assuming it is pro-charged. Looks pretty clean.
All of our certified, all of our non-certifieds, even like some of the other people that are certified, they have like their own separate.
Look at this.
Yeah, it was an Elvira edition.
Y'all bring y'all car out, just watch folks, because they got folks out here literally scraping people rap and shit. Like, that shit crazy. But we got a Hellcat here, Charger Hellcat. Got the bronze wheels to match the bronze Hellcat badge. Decent wide body. Okay, so I'm not a Cobra expert, but I can't really tell. Like, I know the Cobras look just like the GTs, but this looks like he put an aftermarket hood on it. And like, I don't know if the badges are like original to the car, so I can't tell if it's like a real Cobra or not. But let's check the back, and it's not. Oh man, that's disappointing. Thank you. You know you got a slow roll for me. The silence of like something like scraping in his like rear tire. That's funny. Ooh, we've got a Holden in the building. Okay. Crank it up. Woo. Bring that heat, boy. That can be nasty. Lord.